I'm here to talk about the basics of working with your WordPress blog. We have this screen here which you get when you log in. You have several tabs going in here. What it shows here, what I have, are two blogs, one called PT Tipsters, the other one Inanity. I'm going to go through each tab very quickly, showing you what they do. New post. That allows you to write a post. That would be from the primary one, which I had at the top there. I could write a post, post a photo, video, quote, or a link. A link is something that goes to another website. I click on Reader. These are blogs that I am following, that I'm reading. I could find topics. I can explore them. I could even type in a topic and do a search to find something on ketchup in China. Notifications. These are comments that people have made on my blogs, where I've got 5 likes, etc. You may get comments. You can approve, disapprove of a comment. You might even get spam on there, and it just shows them all categorized in here. Stats. It's loading. It's just showing what my traffic was last night on September 28th. And if I hold my mouse here, it's saying I got 17 views on September 26th, 8 on the 27th, and today, the 28th, 5 people have looked at my blog. It shows the countries here. It shows what my top posts are. Some people are looking at things here. I'm going to scroll down a little more. It's just talking about refers. You could be referred to from search engines. The search engine terms. Somebody typed in that, they found me. These are my tags and categories that I've used. This is part of the SEO, search engine optimization. These are comments. One guy by the name of Scott. I accidentally commented on my thing. You can put a comment on your own thing there. Sometimes you need to for clarification. And it's just saying my posts, the comments that I've gotten. 3 people are following me. I've gotten some comments. You can, this helps you find out how you're doing. I'm going to go into, I'll go back to my blogs here. Freshly pressed. This is showing stuff or other blogs that they might want you to read. And I always say to people, make sure you look at other blogs, comment on them. It self-feeds off of each other. And now I'm going to go back into my blogs. If I want to create a new blog, I click right here. If I go into here, we have the dashboard, a new post, drafts, my 7 posts, and the stats there, so I can look at what's going on with my Inanity one here. If I want to go and do things with this, let's just go into this one here. We click on dashboard. You've got a lot of information over here. So if I go to posts, before I go to the post, we have the quick press here. You could type something very quickly here, okay? You could save it as a draft. What I'm talking about now, what I'm in here, and you just put your mouse over it. It always adds things here, so I'm just going to say all posts. If I don't want one, I can put my mouse on here. I could edit it, do a quick edit. I could do a view here. And if I want to create a new post, I click on Add New. And then I could type in blogging on YouTube, since this is a YouTube video. And you can embed it. I am going to put a blog instructional video in here. If I want to do this and I want to find something here, I'm going to go into another YouTube right now, and all I do, and let's say I want to put on Loretta Lynn's Don't Come Home and Drinking. If I want to do this, all I do is
here's Miss Loretta Lynn. How about making love? Huh?
Let me pause that so you don't hear the music. I could click on the share. I click on embed. I copy the text. I go back into my thing here. Now I'm just going to hit the enter key a couple of times. Hope you enjoy Loretta Lynn, because maybe I'm doing a blog on country music. When I click in the middle here, we want to get into the HTML section. I click on the text tab here, and then I literally paste this in here. It shows it in here. Now watch this. I go back into the visual. It shows that little thing here, and I'm just going to say, if I publish this here, before I publish it, I might want to categorize it. I'm going to call this blog tips. I could actually add tags, like let's say Loretta Lynn. And then I separate the tags with the commas, country music. Spell it right. YouTube blogging. I click on add. It shows the things here. So I've got that in there. Now let's say I want to publish it. I could preview it first, but I could publish immediately, or I could click on edit where I could choose a date. I'm just going to say OK, publish, and then I'm going to show, it shows the post over here in a second. And then if I click on this, we get to see her, don't come home a drinking. I'm going to hit the back button. So I've got that there, and for some reason I've lost the title. Occasionally happens. I'm going to click on publish. I have 8 posts. There it says blogging with YouTube. Hopefully this was a helpful instructional video on working with it. Oh, I do want to show one last thing here. I'm just going to hit the back button here. If you want to change designs and stuff here, you go to appearance. You got the themes. Oops. I'm on the themes here. I could change the theme here. Custom design here. Of course they charge here. You've got the widgets, the menus, the header, the background. You can customize things here. Change the colored background.